AI bending design.
When you see this screen, we enter the bending module.
Now we can begin to design.
On the left side, you can see the full retainer, the wraparound retainer. You can use the right mouse button for tooth position selection. In here, you can see the C Clasp and Adams Clasp. This is the tooth number. If you want to change the tooth number, just click here.
This is tooth 17.
Okay. You can choose the one you need. These teeth have been AI segmented, so you can select the correct teeth. Then click the AI Generation button. And we are finished.
Very fast.
Upper and lower arches, including the C Clasp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this model, we have 10. 10 pieces total. AI generation completed in approximately 10 seconds. Very fast. This button shows all of them. Toggle Show and Hide with this button. Okay. Once we finish the AI design, we need to review and adjust as needed.